Right, we're going to look at the LEC cells, which are used to refill the Iroda 150K. So let's take one out of the box. Now, if you turn the cell up, you'll see the valve is on the end, and that's where we refill it. Now we're using standard butane gas. Give it a good shake, keep it upright, and let it refill. Now, when it's full, you'll see some of the gas will come out, and that just means the tank's full. It can't take any more. And also you can see the gas level within the tank because it's transparent. Okay, let's take the 150K out of the box. We'll take off the end cap. And insert the cell. Now on the side of the cell there's an arrow to show you which way around it should be. So push it firmly in, all the way to the end. There we go. And then put on the end cap. Screw it back on. Now we should leave it for 2 to 3 minutes to allow the gas to stabilize throughout the system before we ignite it. So we'll just give it a break now. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to test the gas flow. Now that's the gas flow lever and the main switch. And we want to make sure the gas flow is correct before we ignite. So let's turn it on. And we've also got to hold the safety lever on this one. There's a safety button. And we'll just push the switch halfway and listen, and there we can hear the gas flow. So that means the gas flow is okay. We'll turn it off and we'll get ready to ignite it properly. There we go. And as we can see, it's lit first time. Now to turn it off, turn off the main switch, turn off the gas flow, and we're done. Just open up the stand and that's it. That's how to refill the 150K.